Hey everybody, I'm looking for real creators, R-E-E-L. That's relationships. Relationships are the lifeblood of our businesses and our lives. We can create relationships through video. It used to be one-to-one only, now it's one-to-many. We can influence, we can communicate with, we can connect with people better than ever through video, creating what's known as psychological proximity, which we're creating right now. We're not in the same room, and heck, I filmed this video earlier, but video allows us to transcend space and time and to be able to connect with people in a deep, meaningful way and create digital relationships that also turn into belly-to-belly relationships. There's an easy way to do that with video. Education. This is your golden gun when it comes to creating an impact out there. This is your absolute top tool if you are a local service provider to be able to educate the public on what they don't know or what they're confused about. There are many ways to find out through online searches, find out what people want to be educated on. But you as a local ambassador, national news doesn't matter anything to the local regions you're from. So explain it from a local perspective, educate the public. This is a way to teach people about your products and services that can have such an impact on your business. It's unbelievable. Entertainment. You don't have to be funny, haha, or a comedian. You can absolutely use the power of video to create entertainment. That is just the ability to maintain attention from your clientele or the people watching your videos. That'll be emojis popping up on the screen or jump cuts, things like that that allow people to tune in a little bit longer by keeping that dopamine flowing. But entertainment is just a way for you to better connect because you can keep people connected longer with your videos by doing things specifically with your video that'll keep people entertained. And we'll talk more about that soon. L, that's love. We've got to love ourselves enough to know that we're worthy of a big business and a message that's worthy to get out there. And we got to love ourselves and the community that we're serving to be able to put the best efforts forward. Without love, we're nothing, but it's also live. And that is the ability to connect and in real time with people using live from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and a variety of live platforms because it is an amazing way to connect with your relationships that you've created through video and to foster them and to educate them and to entertain them by going live.